but also in the regular day life also, where you can achieve your goal to get more funding. So, what is actually a business plan? When I'm looking for a business plan, I'm looking for what I'm doing. What is my business? Then I can say that what is my goal to do that business. And then there may be third thing which I may be looking like my business is working fine, I'm earning a benefit, and still now I'm looking for in which direction my business is going on, because I'm getting client, I'm getting satisfied with my client, I'm getting money from the client. So it means that I'm growing in the proper direction, or I just got increased in my business plan, business. So I can say that I'm doing a good business. So let us understand the direction of growth also. And if it is all things are good to start, can I use the same business to ask for some more funding? Or is it a case that you people must be very much interested to join big companies like CMM 5 level companies? Why it is so? Because they are good running, they are giving you good package. Because of that, you are interested to join, or there are some good people who are already working over there, and because of them you want to join that. So this is also one of the part when you are running your business and you want to get good employee in your organization, you should have a very good plan with you. And at the end, if I want to manage my company, I should have a business plan. When the semester start, you have your timetable in your hand. Okay, just take the example of timetable. What is the use of timetable? So that you will come to know when the session will start, what time whose session is there that you want to attend, and what time whose session is there that you want to skip. Okay, so it is a overall thing. So that timetable itself is a business plan, and they have designed in such a way that you will not get clash with number of subject at the same time. You will have the lab session, so that when your thought process is free to work on the lab manual, or when you are very much concentrated to listen to some of the lectures. So that same concept is used in the business plan as well. I just uttered a word saying that the direction of growth of your business. How can I say that if I'm earning a benefit? Can I say that yes, I'm growing in my business? But it is growing. It is giving you money, but it is not giving you satisfaction. Okay, so you need to understand what you mean by the growth. And for that, I have added a quote from Steve Jobs. If you're working on something exciting that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. The vision pulls you. So you need to decide what is the growth, what is the direction, whether just earning a money or just getting a satisfaction or just feeding some people is your growth. Okay, so this is some psychological statement. Let us come back to the business plan. So when I'm looking for the growth of business, I need to understand what is my primary purpose. Then I need to understand what is actually my business about. Means I'm giving a product, I'm giving a service. Can I go with the number of service? Can I go with the mixture of service? Can I go with some collaboration of services with other company, and so on? Okay, so you need to define the business you are looking for. There may be chances that when you are working in collaboration, you are working on some leadership concept, and so on. So what it intend to be over a time? Like in the starting, when the business is there, you may be looking just for money. Okay, just written money. Whatever you invested, at least that will be giving back to you. But over a time, you will start looking for some money, like that is called as a revenue or benefit. Okay, but after that, like your business is running for 10 years and all, you will not look for benefit as well. Now you will look for some more collaboration with other, and you need to increase the branding of your company. Okay, so this is over a time you need to define. So what is the use of a plan? So before that, I need to answer so many WH questions, and that is what listed on the top of this slide as well. So when I'm saying that what is a business plan, this answer for this question is a written document. Okay. So can I take a piece of paper and I will say that yes, this is my business plan? No, it need to be a proper one. No, just take the example of your timetable. Our college name is given, the semester is given, year is given, your class teacher name is given, your classroom is given. Now we don't have the classroom, but the classroom was given. Then the signature of authority, then the total number of no, the teacher abbreviations were given. So you don't know who is the teacher teaching you. Okay, so in the below that there is a table is given where the long form of every teacher is given. So this is a strategy which is used to define timetable. The same way, there is a format which is given for the business plan. You cannot just mention that this is my business, where I am starting that, and please give me the money. Nobody will ask you, or nobody will happy with that type of document. So business plan is a written document which defines what is your business, what is the goal of your business, how you are going to attain that goal. Yes, I know that in your document you have to write everything. What is your product, how you are serving, who are there, everything. But what is the main intention of your business plan? Goal of your business. And what are the different steps that you are following to achieve that goal? Okay. So here you have to, yeah, and one more thing, like business plan is not a nightmare. Like right now you started working on a piece of paper, and the half an hour, after half an hour, you will get your document ready as a business plan. No, you need to think a lot. Okay, you need to plan a lot. You need to collect large number of information. Then from that you have to abstract the information, and you need to write a crisp or a shortened, brief, and very much interesting information. So it required time, effort, and energy. So in short, business plan sets your objective, it defines your budget, it engages partners, and it anticipates the problem before they occur. So everything within that number of pages. Now the next question which will bear there in your mind, why you need a business plan? I'm happy. My business is running fine. My dad started with my business and I'm just going to enhance that. So I don't need any business plan. No, but when you are enhancing, what parameter you will consider for enhancing, that need to be identifiable. So from where you will get it? From the business plan itself. So that time the business plan structure may be little bit different, but in the introductory part, the business plan may be the different. So why you need a business plan? You need to steer your business. You want to start that business or you want to grow the business. It is not simple as you think that I'm going to show you some of the content and then I will come back to the business model canvas. So it will help you to decide कि okay, एक साल के बाद मैं क्या करूंगा, 2 साल के बाद मैं क्या करूंगा. Okay, then वो जो business model plan है, that will help you to understand whether you are really serious about your business or not. मैंने बना दिया भाई, बोला था इसके लिए मैंने बना दिया, and then I'm just okay, I'm there at with the client, I'm there with the money, I'm happy. No. So if you want to achieve some of the milestone, you need to have a proper document with you. Okay, and then there may be chances that कि आपका competitor आपके साथ में है, and you need to understand कि भाई उसने ऐसा क्या किया इसकी वजह से वो आगे गया. You know, it always give me a question कि ओला होते हुए उबेर कैसे पिक्चर में आया. ओला में ऐसे क्या खामियां थी जिसकी वजह से उबेर पिक्चर में आया. Both are the same way, na? They are giving you the service. But what are the difference between these two? So they are different. There are some of the services which were missing and that was incorporated in other one. So you need to understand your competitor, you need to understand your competition, you need to understand what is actually the customer is looking for and what assumption you had and what customer was asking, and then there is a thoda sa usko merge karne ka things will be helpful for you with the help of business plan. Then what is your revenue model, what is your actually financial need, then whether you are coming to that particular brand or not, how you are going to handle the different marketing situation. I just started with the corona situation or the pandemic situation. In this situation some of the business really sustained. So how they understood, how they mapped with the changing condition, that was the one of the things. If they have followed the proper business plan, they could have survived. So what are the process which are there in a business plan? So first you have to research. You have to understand what is your business, what are your goals, how it is going to start, or if it is a started one, how you are going to grow that. Then you have to define your strategies. Then you have to calculate everything, because at the end everything will come for the money. Okay, so you need to calculate how many resources you are having, how many you need, how many money you have, how many more money you need, how you can expand your business, and so on. And then draft that. Okay, so now that draft is not called as a business plan. That draft need to be checked by some of the expert. So now in this case, you can call with some of the auditor or some of the senior person in your business, and who can evaluate and they can reframe your structure or the content here and there. So let us understand this business plan. So I'm going to give you a summary. Now you must be thinking, ma'am, we are having a session on business model canvas, but you are just focusing on business plan. If you understand the business plan, it will be very much easy for you to understand the business model canvas. Okay, so when you start with the business plan, you need to not only collecting the information, not only arranging the information, but you are getting answers to number of questions which are there in your mind. Okay, and then the shortened description of business plan will be nothing but your business model canvas. So there are total 8 points which you need to remember. And they are like executive summary, business, industry overview, market analysis and the competition, sales and marketing plan, ownership and management plan, operating plan, financial plan, appendix and some exhibits. So you may ask the question कि all these are necessary? अरे ये तो मेरे इसमें मैच ही नहीं होता है, मैं तो स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ बिजनेस. ठीक है, नहीं मैच हो रहा है ना, तो यू कैन जस्ट कीप इट असाइड. ओके, डोंट ट्राई टू कहाँ से तो आंसर उसको पकड़ के उसके अंदर मत डालो. इट विल नॉट सेंस. ओके, इफ इट इज रियली फीजिबल देन एंड देन ओनली यू राइट दैट. ओके, अगर आपको लगता है कि मेरा बिजनेस तो अच्छे से चल रहा है, मुझे इसकी जरूरत नहीं है, ओके, सो इन दैट केस यू कैन इग्नोर दैट, बट जस्ट try to follow the same sequence, that these are the necessary content for the business plan. Now what I have done in this particular session, as I told you कि ये session मैंने बहुत सारी जगह पे लिया, and I understood that ये इतने 7-8 session में मैंने एक coffee house तो आराम से बना दिया. This is a virtual coffee house. You can also imagine the same thing, क्योंकि जब हम एक कहानी सुनते हैं ना, तो वो जो concept वो अच्छे से दिमाग में रहता है. The same way, in this particular session, I am going to make a virtual business, and that business will really help you. आप कैसे business plan को define करते हैं. And what I have done in this case, I have started with a business that is a coffee house. A name that which I have decided for this is AK's Coffee House. I know that now we are not able to go out and have the coffee house, but when we were like, if I want to have some time with my good ones, so I used to prefer to the coffee house. I know the coffee house at near in the Hiranandani, near to Deloitte office only, and it was a very prestigious, like very attractive tha, sitting arrangement alag tha, and lighting sense alag tha, and that really helped me out to decide this particular business plan. Okay, so अभी मैं आपके साथ में business plan decide कर रही हूँ AK's Coffee House. So when I'm writing this AK's Coffee House in a documented format, I will say that what is the name of my organization, when it started. So see, I have started in the lockdown only, March 15, 2020. Then I need to write down the address where it is physically located. Okay. And then the most important, because this generation is working with the digital era. So I need to focus not only with the name and the location, but I need to focus on some of the supporting document, that is the email, so that anybody can connect with me. Okay, so I have just formulated email, and then I need to have some website also, so if they want to understand me, so they can connect with me on my website. So आप बोलोगे कि मैडम तो फिर आपके शॉप में आके कौन चाय पिएगा. अरे लेकिन अगर मुझे फंडिंग के लिए ट्राई करना है, so it is not mandatory that they have to come to my physically to my shop, but online also they can have a look कि मेरा कैसा growth हो रहा है, कौन-कौन मेरे साथ में है, and it will be very easy for them to trace me whether I'm really growing or मेरा business start हुआ है or nothing, something like that. So I'm talking about the first part of business plan, which is called as the executive summary. Now I'm not going to read the content. Those who want, I will share the PPT with them, but here whatever abstract level is there, that only I'm going to tell you. What I will do here, instead of telling the theory, I will just move to my particular AK's Coffee House. Okay, so where I just wanted to add what are the content I have written for it. So when I'm writing the AK's Coffee House, or when I'm writing the executive summary for AK's Coffee House, I need to define what are the key areas of my business. मैं क्या कर रही हूँ अपने coffee house में? सिर्फ मैं coffee दे रही हूँ, या फिर there may be chances that I'm giving some, I'm just having some corner for cookies. I am having some corner for some easy having snacks. So that I need to specify over here. Or AK's Coffee House में, then in short, who are my partner? Okay, or I can say that how I started, Okay, what is my location in short, and then why I selected that location. There may be chances that I'm saying that ki nearby there are some technical colleges are there, or some technical offices are there, some hospitals are there, and it is a prime location in Andheri, and as a result, I can say that a daytime I can get more number of people, and there may be some prime time where there will be crowd in my shop, and so on. Okay, so in short, I need to define a very short executive summary. आप लोग ने रिसर्च पेपर लिखा होगा, उसके अंदर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट लिखा होगा. व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट? वो क्या करता है? एट अ ग्लांस इट शो यू कि आपने पूरे रिसर्च पेपर में क्या लिखा है. सो इट इज अ शॉर्टकट वे. Same way, the executive summary will focus on who you are, what product or service you are providing, who are your partner, where your company is located, what is the optimistic overview of your business, how, in short, you are trying to get the reader's attention, and so that they will feel, oh, these are the things which they are doing, which in a short length. Then there is a question which is asked over here, or which was running in my mind, कि कितने पेज का लिखे हम लोग एग्जीक्यूटिव समरी. So executive summary totally depends on whom you are targeting for funding. आप किसको टारगेट करना चाहते हो? मेरा बिजनेस चालू है, so I just want 10 lakhs का funding. So according to the 10 lakhs and whom I am going to trust, कौन से लोगों को मैं एज अ एंजल फंडिंग के लिए या फिर फंडिंग नॉर्मल फंडिंग के लिए कनेक्ट करना चाहती हूँ. सो आई विल जस्ट स्टडी देम, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट आई विल वेरी दिस समरी. ओके, अगर वो इतना पैसा देने वाला नहीं है, सो आई विल नॉट गो ऑन राइटिंग इन डिटेल, बट आई विल जस्ट राइट हाफ पेज और 1 पेज और 1.5 पेज. बट लेकिन फंडिंग ज्यादा है, आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग, आई वॉन्टेड टू इंक्रीज माई फ्रेंचाइजी, or I want to increase the vicinity of my place only. I just don't want to have that in short place, but I want to increase that. Okay, or different services which I want to give to the customer in that location. I want to arrange some of the things in that room. So I want more funding. So in that case, your summary will size will go on increasing, and then the content in that is also need to be enhanced. Okay, so you can mention ki customer ka need kya tha, and then how your product or service is helping them, what are the different services you are supporting, what are the different collaborative services you are providing, then how you started, in short, what are there in your team, and आपका business plan का कैसे strategy था, how you have enhanced that. So overall, आपका सेल्स प्रॉफिट कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ, आपका पर यूनिट सेल्स कैसे हुआ, व्हाट इज योर की टू सक्सेस. So these are the things you can put in some graphical representation or some pictorial representation, and so on. So this is the first part. Now the second part, which will come in business plan, is an overview. Okay, in this, some of the theoretical concept about your business need to be written. Okay, it is like, what is the vision I had to start this business, okay, and how I have articulated this vision, and in the some period of time, or what are my feasibility studies, why I started with the AK's coffee house, okay, why at that particular location only. Okay, because I have observed that there are some people who are just having a normal tea, or there is a McDonald or any other shop is there, but they are very costly, and they are earning during the peak time. So can we have one more place? Or I want to propagate my own coffee product. Some of the diagnostic session, which is as per the customer requirement. You can also mention some of the value proposition. Okay, like why you wanted to start, like. In my AK coffee house, or I just take the example of the coffee shop which I visited in Hiranandani campus at Powai. So they are giving the free Wi-Fi. There was a music brand, or music was also running up. The sitting arrangement was like foreign countries, and the people who are coming at that shop is also higher level class. They can afford that much price of that coffee. So what is my value proposition? I am targeting a high level class people. So what are the things I will provide? If I'm targeting middle class people, so what are the value proposition I'm considering? And it is not a normal coffee shop. So according to that, you have to capture and you have to highlight these are my mottos about this particular product. So in short, see here I have written that what is my position, like our position in the industry. So we are located at Andheri. So I can say that prominently that out of 10 people, 5 people are coming to my coffee shop, and 5 people are targeting other coffee shop. Then who are my competitor? and still how I'm surviving with them. Okay, why my coffee is very special, that I'm getting a raw material from so and so sources and they are very brand name, and I'm using such and such a machine to make that coffee and so on. Okay, and I can give some short information also, like from where the coffee started and how it make me to start with that business and so on. The third part in business plan is market analysis. Market analysis says that, okay, I started at Andheri, but why I started at Andheri? I could have started at other place. But that defined me that this is a prime location where number of businesses are running up. There is a MIDC area is there. I can define the segment. IT people, they can afford such a costly coffee. I can understand that market share. Okay, now my business is started. So I'm open in the stock market as well. So how is my market share is going on? What is my position in that market share? How I can discuss about the pricing and different promotions which I can give. I remember that like last 5 to 6 years back, there was an offer with the Midday and McDonald. आप मिड डे का पेपर लो, उसके ऊपर एक कॉर्नर में कूपन होता था, एंड विद इन दैट टाइम फ्रेम ओनली यू हैव टू गो टू द मैकडी एंड देन you can get a coffee and with some snacks as well. So that offer was there. You just have to pay 7 rupees for midday, and you was offered with 150 rupees for coffee with some snacks. Okay, so this way the promotions or some pricing can be done. So they may be having some other vision to connect with such a type of combination. यू मस्ट बी रिकलेक्टिंग कि पहले ना दिवाली में या फिर 26 जनवरी को ऑफर्स होते थे मॉल में. You need to go to that time. During that time, you will have some combination of products and so on. So it identifies the communications and sales and some distribution channels. So here you are going to focus. Now आप बोलोगे कि मैडम कॉफी के अंदर आप क्या मार्केट एनालिसिस करोगे? So I can say that morning time, if you come between this 7 to 9, so coffee price will be this much only. But if you come in the afternoon where the number of customers are less, so I may give you one-on-one offer, okay, or with this particular coffee, you will get this one as a free. If you stay in the coffee house and if you order 2 coffees, then you will get a Wi-Fi for so many things and so on. Okay, so that I can get number of customer at my place. So these are the market analysis. अगर ये offer मैं कुछ नॉर्मल जगह पे करती हूँ, so people may not turn up. They will say that इतना costly coffee ले वो Wi-Fi के लिए मैं क्यों जाऊँ? So that way we need to understand the market and we have to promote. So that what special market analysis I have done, so that I need to hear. तो यहाँ पे मैंने जैसे एक कॉफी हाउस के लिए लिखा है कि आई हैव एनालाइज्ड कि ये जो प्लेस है ये टेक्निकल कॉलेज के नजदीक है, टेक्निकल ऑफिस के नजदीक है, people are high level class, middle level class, they do have their personal business, so they want a platform where they can come and share. There are college people, students, so उनको बैठ के थोड़ा celebration करना है, so music is there for them. There are people who want to just be alone, and so ये लोग आ सकते हैं यहाँ पे. या फिर I can say that the mug, कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि वो mug के लिए भी हम लोग उसी शॉप में कुछ प्रोडक्ट को लेने के लिए भी हम लोग वो पर्टिकुलर चीज खरीदते हैं. So based on that, what are the different things I can say that? I can say that I'm giving some parking facility. Okay, वो एरिया में parking facility नहीं है, लेकिन मैं अपने कस्टमर को दे रही हूँ. So they want to utilize that parking facility also. Okay, so these are the different things which we can do for market analysis. Then the fourth part here is a management team. This really plays a major thing. क्योंकि कभी कभी ना आप बोलोगे अरे वो बिजनेस का कौन ओनर है, अच्छा रतन टाटा जी, ओके, हाँ इनका स्ट्रैटेजी तो बहुत मस्ती होता है. सो these are the team member also plays a major role to enhance your business. Okay, so management team focuses on the organizational structure, the working structure, this expertise knowledge. Some people who are there working as a expertise with us, they are also making useful for you. The skill gap analysis, expertise and skill gaps are two different things. I will tell you how. Expertise मतलब वो डोमेन में जिसने ऑलरेडी काम किया है, okay, and skill gap is the experienced person. So डोमेन में अगर समझो मैं अकाउंट में लास्ट 5 साल से काम कर रही हूँ, so I can give you कि मेरा एक्सपर्टाइज ये डोमेन के अंदर. But the person who work for years in that duration, he is not a high level person, but लेकिन उसको मालूम है वो छोटे छोटे पॉइंट्स जहाँ पे the skill gaps. Okay, so it is not designated to a person. It is designated to the experienced person. So that's why I have listed it separately. Okay, they can be treated as an expert only, but overall skill, जिसको मतलब वो एक मैनेजर नहीं है, बट ही इज अ नॉर्मल वेटर ऑल्सो, एक कोई वेटर भी प्लान मेजर रोल प्ले कर सकता है. And then the personal plan, what as a person, as a startup person, I can say that ki, what are the current highlights, what are the future requirement I am looking for, and so on. I have skipped some of the slide over here. I have removed that slide because I just wanted to focus more in this session on the business model plan. So I will come back to this session, particular points, if or I can answer your questions related to this part. I have done the market analysis, but still the next part is marketing plan. Okay, I have understood कि कौन से मार्केट के लिए मेरा कौन सा टाइप का कॉफी होना चाहिए, लेकिन मैंने उसको किस तरह से हैंडल किया. ओके, सो मार्केट प्लान focus on the impact. Okay, or market plan can also show some of the decision which I have taken in the previous term. Like that time it was a very competitive, competition was very high, and मैंने वो decision लिया, and as a result I got good customer. I gave some offers in my coffee shop, or I can say that future marketing efforts I have done. Some of the things I understood कि हाँ, these are the measurable things, these are the qualitative things which I need to focus. So quantitative and qualitative, these are the things which was handled during this. And then budget allocation. Okay, some of the plans were paid one, some of the plan were sponsored one, and so on. So in short, how my decisions are best till date. Okay, and what is my future requirement for the marketing plan, so that I can say that I'm growing in my business. Okay, so here I need to say that why this marketing plan is required, for getting the funding. Okay, if I'm looking for a low funding, then the marketing plan may be a shortened one. लेकिन अगर मुझे ज्यादा करना है, ज्यादा फंडिंग के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट चाहिए, then I may say that कि मैं ऐसे करूंगी, मैं वैसे करूंगी, ऐसे लोगों को बुलाऊंगी, वैसे लोगों को बुलाऊंगी, and so on. So here for AK's Coffee House, I have added some of the marketing plan as uh, some of the product offering. जैसे मैं बोल रही हूँ कि आप ऑफर लो मेरे तरफ से, मतलब you can arrange some parties, okay, and for during the parties you will find a change in the costing. Some pricing strategies, like different type of coffees will have different type of pricing, and then if you go for buy one get one free and something like that, or during the festival season you may get some offers. Some of the cookies or some of the other snacks which are there, they are helpful. So that way you can define some of the sales and marketing plan. So marketing analysis will help you to develop this plan. Okay. Now, most important thing when I'm talking about the management plan is I need to list out in my business plan itself what is my organization structured, infrastructure, working structured, who are there in my management team and all. So here I have listed that I'm having 60% share with a person A, 40% with the another partner. Then we are having some interior designing done by this person. This person is working as my CA. So there will be no chance, no problem with my accounting also. This person is supplying me some good type of bread or a good type of cookies. So when I'm labeling this type of people, people will attract to my business plan. Okay, वो बोलेंगे अरे ये तो ब्रांड कंपनी के साथ काम कर रहा है, इसका बिजनेस तो सक्सेसफुली होने वाला है. See, this is the supporting people who are there. तो उसका डाउन भी होगा ना, तो उसको सपोर्टिंग हैंड है, लेट मी इन्वेस्ट. ओके. Next one is a financial plan. Financial plan defines what is my outcome, और मेरा वो मतलब मैंने जो प्लान किया था, हाँ ऐसा ऐसा होगा. So when I'm targeting that particular outcome, whether really it is going to come or it will be coming as output or not. Okay. So making the targeted result happen and establish the milestone are the main concern about my financial plan. I will allocate the money. Okay. So it will provide feedback also कि अरे last time ये particular section पे पैसे ज़्यादा allocate किए थे, but it doesn't work. So let us move that money to the other plan. Some of the problem occurred because of the more money allocated, so more expenditure was happened. So This financial plan will work totally on the account section. Okay, whether you have to give more money, whether you have to give less money, whether you have to give more expertise on that domain, that section, and so on. So here the financial plan is like, अगर मैं आपको बोलती हूँ कि चलो जैसे लॉकडाउन खत्म होता है हम लोग कोई ट्रिप पे चले जाते हैं, तो पहले सवाल आपका दिमाग में अभी तो आएगा कि पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन है, कैसे बाहर जाएंगे. लेकिन अगर समझो आपका कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है वो हिसाब से, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विल कम इन योर माइंड इज हु विल स्पॉन्सर माय ट्रिप. कौन पैसा देगा? पप्पा से पैसा मांगना पड़ेगा. यू आर गोइंग टू स्पॉन्सर. ओके, देन आई कैन चेक द मनी विच आई एम होल्डिंग एंड आई कैन फ्लो सेइंग कि अच्छा मेरे पास तो इतने पैसे हैं तो मैं 4 लोगों को ऑफर कर सकती हूँ. ओके, एंड इन दैट केस आई विल कंसिडर कि 4 लोगों में से ट्रैवलिंग कितना जाएगा, फूडिंग के लिए कितना जाएगा, स्टेइंग के लिए कितना जाएगा, एंड सो ऑन. So all this arrangement is nothing but my financial plan. I cannot just go on giving more money for staying. I need to allocate the money for return back as well. Okay, so that way. The seventh part in this particular business plan is my operation. How? Okay, मेरे पास पैसे भी आ गए, मेरा स्ट्रक्चर भी रेडी है, मेरे पास गुड टाइप ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, मेरा कॉफी का टाइप भी अच्छा है, मेरा मार्केटिंग प्लान भी अच्छा है. Then what is the operation and management? Operation and management is the overall functionality of your working style. Okay, मेरे पास अच्छे लोग हैं, but they are not working fine. Okay, so how to control them or how to adjust the people all together? Okay, so not only the resources, but also the human power, manpower also we need to control. What are the requirements, equipment I am having, how to handle that equipment, some of the processes which need to be designed for execution. So overall operation. Okay, जैसे आपको आपका टाइम टेबल तो मिल गया, लेकिन अगर समझो वो टीचर वो टाइम पे आता ही नहीं, वो टीचर की जगह पे दूसरा टीचर कोई तो आता है. Okay, so in that case the operation, there is a some controlling. What is the job of class teacher? To check whether everything is going properly or not, students are attending properly or not. Okay, so at the end taking out the default and all. Okay, so these are the operation and management. तो अगर मेरा एक एक कॉफी हाउस है तो मैं देखूंगी कि भाई ये वेटर सही से आ रहा है, काम कर रहा है कि नहीं, वो कस्टमर के साथ सही से ट्रीट कर रहा है कि नहीं, वेदर माय ऑफर्स आर प्रॉपरली गिवन टू द कस्टमर, या फिर मैं जो भी फैसिलिटीज आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग टू द कस्टमर दे आर अप टू द प्लान और नॉट. Sitting arrangement, I am saying that I am having a good quality of cup, but lekin they are not in a good condition, good type of cup, but they are not in a good condition. Okay, so I need to be very much I should have a proper strategy to handle such type of things. Okay, can I offer something like parking facility if I'm giving, तो वो आके randomly थोड़ी ना park कर सकते हैं. It is not so that the person park their car for a full day for just a cup of coffee. Okay, so I may have some plan. Okay, so operating plan, the person is sitting in the shop for more than 4 to 5 hours. Okay, but he is not having a single cup of coffee, so why should I allow that customer to sit for a longer time? So I can have some operating plan that if you want to access his Wi-Fi, it will be given for a coffee cup for 20 minutes or 1 hour and so on. Okay, I can also say that my coffee shop is very clean, so I am doing some pest control, I am having a good security. Okay, so when you are there you are secure inside. A basic thing, my light arrangement, okay, they are fire control. Okay, so many things are there. Can I say that suppliers, मैं coffee shop के लिए इतने offers ले रहे, but I am not getting a raw material in time. Okay, so what are the things I need to follow? So staffing also, or the equipment. If I'm listing all these things in my business plan, those who are ready to fund you, they will think 100 times. अरे इसके पास तो ये है, देखो इसने ये apply किया. This is very good thing. Okay. So these are the things which we need to add inside the under the operating plan. Again, the financial plan, I skip that example. So here, as a financial plan, you can attach some income statement, some cash flow projection, some of the balance sheet, or some of the break-even analysis. The last part for the business plan is what are the attachments you are giving. Okay, what are the exhibits? So you are saying that this is my website, but what is the proof? Okay, you are saying that this is my market analysis, these are your customers, these are your suppliers. So you need to attach all these things. Okay, so your brochures, your partners address, your supporting material, that these are the people from where you purchase that equipments and all, need to be listed out over here. Now, this is all about the business plan. Okay. So, how you should that your business plan be? Like you are just asking for 1 lakh, and in that case, you are writing 150 pages of business plan will not work. Okay. So, just target whom you are going to connect, and based on that, you should have a mini plan. You can have a working plan, or you can have some presentation plan. Okay. Now, as there is an advantage for the business plan, like you have your thoughts organized, you have your guidelines properly, you know what you are going to do in the coming days, what are your benchmarks, what are your achievements and everything. At the same time, there is a disadvantage as well. And what is a disadvantage? Disadvantage says that you have to invest the time, effort and energy in it. There may be chances that writing this template is easy for you, but implementing this content is going to be difficult for you, because when you're writing, the question will be there, you've written that, this is a written document. Okay. So it is, and sometimes it is not very easy to keep up to date. Every time the changes or the decisions may go on changing. Yes, somebody want to ask something? Okay. So so this is the business model canvas. So in the business model canvas, there are total 9 sections which are there. Starting from the whatever we have designed in business plan, the same thing will come over here. Um, Same thing will come over here, but the layout is totally different. What you see, that you get the same way this particular plan is given. So if you just see here, the arrangement is not in a sequence. They are like 1, 2, 3, 4, or something scattered. But it is as per the requirement that things are organized over here. Okay. So let us understand how. So on the my right hand side, it is called as a value, and on my left hand side, it is called as a efficiency. Okay. So when I'm talking about the value, I'm focusing on customer. I'm focusing on how I'm getting the revenue, what are the different channels I'm using, and on the efficiency, I'm going to prove that how my business is good enough to in a upcoming days. Okay. So let us understand each thing in detail. So first thing is a customer. So first is customer segment. So who are my customer? So that now you can ask a question, ki, ma'am, this is looking like a one page. Yes, this is a one page. So in a very crisp dialogue or crisp keywords, you have to write down this, and you need to keep that in front of your front of you, or you can just attach that in your office, and every time you can just have a look on that keyword. If you want to have the detailed information about it, you can have a business plan with you. But if you just want to handle a very short and sweet and very like focusing on the goals only, so you can go with the business model canvas. So the first part is customer segment. So here you can write down in short. Like if I'm just talking about the AK's coffee shop, I can say that which market I'm targeting, what type of, why I've selected this customer, what is the diversifying things are there, what are the different chat platforms are the markets are there, for whom I'm doing this business, and what is the important, why the customers are important, who are my important customers. So that can be listed over here. What I'm going to offer, that is going to be my second thing, that is a value proposition. Okay. It is like qualitative or the quantitative way. The question which you can ask, like whom we are delivering, what are the problems I am trying to handle, what are the bundle of products or services I'm going to offer, how I'm going to satisfy them. So in short, I can mention in AK's coffee house, like the brand coffee, the resources which I'm having, giving them a Wi-Fi model or the parking. That can be the keywords I can mention for them. The next part of business model canvas is the channels. How I'm going to connect with them. अगर मैंने बोला कि if you just come to my coffee shop and if you just like me on your Instagram account, there will be 25% discount on the coffee. You will like it. Just adding that in an Instagram will not make you big deal with you. लेकिन वो एक लाइक ऑन द इंस्टाग्राम एंड द सेम वे number of likes will really enhance my business. Automatically I will be the top people, top coffee shop in the market, in the city. Then the customer relationship, like I can have some personal assistant with them. So customer is one of the main important models. So how I'm going to give, like menu driven coffee, you just ask me कि ये वाला coffee मुझे चाहिए, so I will immediately ask them. Self-service coffee. So I will just add a keyword called as a self-service. Automated service. You just have to book your seat and it will get allocated as and when you will come to that. What are the communities you are targeting? So these are the component which you can write over here. Revenue stream. This is the fifth one where you are going to mention कि मेरा profit कितना है. A short one. कि last time मेरे को 50% profit हुआ था, उसके पहले साल मुझे 25% का loss हुआ था. So very short one. And what are my asset sales, or what are my usage free, what are my subscription fee? So all these things you can write down under the revenue stream. Infrastructure. This is the sixth one where you can mention what are my key resources. I am having a so I'm connected with Zomato. Okay, so I can mention that connection. These are my resource person. What are the key activities I'm doing? Along with the coffee shop, I'm giving you music. Along with that, I'm giving you Wi-Fi. Who are my key partners? So that can also be over here. Who are my competitors? That can also be listed out over here. Cost structure. Now, okay, what is the difference between revenue? Revenue is like where I'm getting the overall investment and the benefit, and cost is like overall how much is my fixed deposit. If I lost this particular business, from where I can recover that. What are my variable costs? What are my economic costs? Okay, and that way I can connect with the people. So this is an example. See, in this AK's Coffee House, I have listed here in short that I am targeting a niche market. Okay. Then in the value proposition, I am saying that menu-driven coffee is there. In channels, I'm just writing that I'm connecting with them with the help of some social media and word of mouth. Customer relationship, I'm saying that how I'm going to give them some values, some services. Okay. Or I'm saying that some groups are there, some clubs are there, some revenue stream. So where I'm saying that what is how I'm earning the profit. Then the key partners who are there with me to supply the raw material. What are the key activities I'm doing? Okay, so I'm training my staff. I'm launching some business. I'm having my franchisee. Overall, rebranding my business. Key resources. I'm saying that I'm having vans, scooter for delivery purpose. I'm using license copy for coffee. Furnitures are good, cutleries are good, and what is my cost structure? So I'm having some investment in FDs. I'm having some invested on the vans. So the vans are leased one, or I have purchased some of the scooters. My staff salary is my cost structure, and so on. So in short, business model canvas is a visual tool. Okay, there is a chances that you may lose some of the content over here, but there is a chances that if you are very much thorough with your hypothesis, your assumptions, you are aware which are the risks. So business model canvas is a one-page summary for you all. Okay, so it is not so easy. You cannot show the detailed part which you have listed out in your business plan in a one page. Okay, so too much granularity or the detail cannot you cannot show on the business plan, but you cannot just go with the keywords also. So you cannot just fill the boxes, but you have to show what are the things you are actually doing with it. You cannot just contain show some of the orphan elements or some mixing of some of the elements, but you have to show in short what are the relation between the components and all. So I hope this was very short and sweet, because this session lasts almost for 3 to 4 hours, and I have just tried to conclude this within 45 minutes to 50 minutes. So key takeaway from this model is like business plans are critical for the success of company. Different business require different plans. All business plans have some of the common sections that are listed over here. And if you want to have a one-page summary, business model canvas is a very useful tool for this. Okay. These are the citation or the sources from where I have taken the content. So thank you very much. Sagar, over to you. You can just check whether if there is any question so that we can answer to that questions.
Yes, ma'am. There is a question in the chat box. Rupesh is asking if we need to give the break-even analysis as a part of the business plan.
Right. Yes, we can give, because when we are working on break-even analysis, I hope I am the correct one for break-even analysis. Okay. So when I'm saying that I want to understand my business, and after a 1 year time frame, I was expecting the business growth in about, if I'm talking about in a costing way, that after 1 year this much is the money which I expected, and I didn't get that. Okay, so can I stop there, or can I change the brand? Can I change the resources? Can I change the strategy? And this break even analysis will help you to have your pathway in other direction. Okay, if I just take the example of your normal studies, when you are studying from one book, and that it is very difficult for you to understand the content from that book, you will look for some other references. Okay, so from there you will understand what and where you are making the mistake. So if you want to understand, and then again come back to this particular book and you continue the same way, when you are running your business and that time you are finding that कि भाई कुछ मजा नहीं आ रहा है बिजनेस में, तो कहाँ पे मेरे गलत हो रहा है. Okay, अभी I just started with the pandemic situation. People just were concentrating on physical business. They never bothered to have that business on the virtual mode. Why they have not taken their business on the virtual mode, taking some online delivery, some giving some online services and so on. They can be more sustainable. तो ये एक break in even analysis हमें मिला. So I feel I have tried to answer your question. Can we have the next question?
Yes. Ayush is asking if you could explain how does drop shipping work?
I'm sorry, what working?
Drop shipping.
Okay. Drop shipping work. Drop shipping work. I'm actually not getting the wordings between in what sense he was trying to ask. Drop shipping works. Okay. Uh, yes. If I'm just trying to connect this with my example, AK's Coffee House. Okay. I'm just saying that I'm running this business at a particular place where the number of people will come and connect with me, and they can enjoy the Wi-Fi, they can enjoy the music and all. But let us imagine that there is a party in one of the office, okay, and they like my coffee, so they are asking me for delivery purpose of that. So in that case, if I'm just giving some more services, and so that they will enjoy my coffee at their particular place, and if I'm giving some concession in the rating rate also, so they will be very happy. Okay, so change in the execution of your service, or just collaborating some of the services here and there, will really help you out to come out with big business. Okay, so you are just working on, let's just take the example of Zomato. Zomato is not having their own business, or Uber or Ola also. They don't have their own single car, but still they're earning. Why? Because what they have done, they have given a one platform where the number of people can come. So in that case, it is just a strategy which is earning them. So this way, the drop shipping, I think it will relate in that direction, where your idea and it will be executed by number of other people. Okay, so that will be the helpful for you. I will really think about your question in detail, but I hope right now I tried my level best to answer your question. I hope I have answered. Any other question?
Uh, I request all audience members, if you have any questions, you all can unmute or put it in the chat box.
I know that this was a very fast and a monotonic session happened. But really, yeah, I think the takeaway from this model was a thought process, so that you can write down your document in a proper order. You can maintain the sequence. You can list out the content, which will help you to keep a benchmarking and all. So best of luck, and you can come out with such type of content. You can have your one piece business model canvas, and do we can have in the coming days a workshop where we can have a case study, and where I will ask everyone to write down each and every component. What you can write as a channel, what you can write as a revenue, what you can write as a cost, what are the important keyword you should focus. These are really a mandatory thing when you are working on your business model canvas. So thank you very much for listening to me. I don't wanted to stretch this session for a longer time, but if your questions are there, I will really go back to my slide and I will start explaining that particular section. Or if you have anything, you can connect with me, and I will try my level best to uh, satisfy your answer.
Mm, I believe there are no more questions, so we can conclude this session. Thank you, Aarti ma'am, for taking
Thank
out
you.
time. And I believe the session was very informative, and I'm sure all the budding entrepreneurs and the aspiring businessmen have a lot to take away from the business models and the business plan. I thank all the audience members for joining in for this session, and thank you once again. Have a good evening.
Thank you. Thank you all.